How to change your password on Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password on Shopify. So let's get started. First, launch open the Shopify app on your smartphone and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Shopify, go to the upper right corner and tap on the Human button. Now, click the three dots right next to your email at the top and then click on Manage Account. This will take you to the accounts.shopify.com website where you need to click Security at the top. Inside Security, scroll down and click on Change Your Password. Now, enter your current password in the first field. Once you do that, go to the next field and enter your new password you want to change to. Go to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. Finally, click on Change Password at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on Shopify. Next time you log in, make sure to use your new password. So there you have it. Changing your Shopify password keeps your store secure from unauthorized access. After updating your password, your account will be fully protected and you can continue managing your store safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.